Using conspiracy theories to improve your personality. On the one hand, we can assert there's significant value in raising awareness to expose systemic corruption in hopes of putting a stop to it. But since most of us aren't willing to go that far and put our lives on the line, conspiracy theories kind of feel like junk food, like a slimy, guilty pleasure. They're essentially the male version of gossip, a preoccupation of those with low moral character, who discuss the lives of others because they can find nothing important to do with their own lives. Worse still, a large portion of those who indulge do so as a means of absolving themselves of the responsibility to remediate personal grievances, proclaiming themselves trapped in a rigged game held back by an evil oppressor. No matter how grandiose the claims, it always feels to outsiders as cringy as trying to convince a guest your toilet's not clean because the Illuminati won't let you be rich enough to hire a maid. But then, why are conspiracy theories so juicy sometimes? What's that tingling in the back of the mind when something wildly abnormal rings true? Insofar as societies are fractal analogs of individuals, the political conspiracies revealed in history represent a neural network's propensities for self-deceit and self-sabotage. Thus, by tracing the patterns on the macro scale, we can know what to look for that's potentially mirrored on the micro scale, identifying the plots within ourselves, so that the methods of internal subterfuge lose their secret efficacy, and the energy devoted to subterranean motives can be reclaimed to cohere with one's conscious resolve, aligning the wheels of your vehicle for smoother steering. Every such time a thing is accomplished, it can be distilled into a formula of words to inoculate others. For an example of this in action, think of someone in your life who has a short fuse, someone who loses their temper on a regular basis. There's a link below for my Patreon episode, The Last Word on Anger. It begins with conspiracy and ends with the listener feeling naked and embarrassed the next time they start to get angry. Emerson said, "An institution is the lengthened shadow of a man." We can't expect to have better institutions until we have better people. And the word culture is shorthand for monkey see, monkey do. So we need to lead by example. Be the change you want to see in the world. I thought that was a direct quote from Gandhi, but it turns out to be just a more viral summary of a longer statement of his with which we'll close out this episode. We but mirror the world. All the tendencies present in the outer world are to be found in the world of our body. If we could change ourselves, the tendencies of the world would also change. As a man changes his own nature, so does the attitude of the world change towards him. We need not wait to see what others do.